Alright, so head plan. I haven't. I do. Pop up a. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Check out these other items I get from the dice. I guess, I don't know. Like the rest of the. I believe I have one more. Yep, here it is. There we go. Honeysuckles. I shouldn't have any more. Let me check around. Um, Lagging. Wait, I can move while lagging like this? That's awesome. That's an on it. You're really good. Why are you throwing so many? It didn't even activate. Really on it, really. There we go. Now I'm stuck. Alright, now I didn't thing anywhere, so I'm gonna just head and get 5 away on both sides on a. Oh, it's me. Hours. Got clown. So much satisfying nectar. Sucks that you can't add more. Like you can't put more than one in machine. Guys, that's gonna be the next one.